move all this out of the way. So nice being in here. It's like a little tree house, and there's so much light now. I'm really happy. Yeah. Ah. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Okay. On the Zeze Desire channel, we got a special guest today. We got Life with Jheri. What up? All right, let's hear it. How's the pepperoni pizza at the Three Brothers Pizza Palace?
Well, it's Jersey pizza, so it's really good, but it is super greasy.
Yeah.
Besides that, it's really good.
Oh my
I mean, look at it. It's sleeping. Look, it's sleeping pizza.
Oh my god.
It's sleeping pizza, but it's good though. All things considering.
But it is really tasty. I would definitely rate it a good rating. Dang, I'm getting.
I'm gonna give it like a 7.5.
For
7.5. Only because it's too greasy, but
the taste is definitely there though.
yeah, it's good. Oh, and yeah.
We got this.
That's funny as hell. Who knows how to Look out the window here. We're in a little bush trolley.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's actually what makes you a great team or a higher seed is that you can adjust.
I've never been on one of these before.
45-43 is now the score. With 3 players. That does it for us.
When you walk the whole boardwalk, it's kind of nice getting a ride back.
It is. You walk lots.
Hey guys, if you've been watching this far, I want to say thank you. We are with Life is Jheri on YouTube, so go follow his page.
Appreciate y'all.
Oh, that's gonna be a copyright with the background music. This way. It's look closed right now. Yo, so we were walking. Yo, there's a whole cliff right here. Oh, shit. Oh my god. He still caught the pizza.
Holy crap.
Oh my gosh. These Jersey beaches is crazy.
No, keep singing. Keep singing.
It's like a cliff. We literally got a cliff. We was about to walk because our lights weren't on.
Holy.
Yeah.
Be careful, Zeze. You'll fall off the edge there.
Yeah. Dope. Look at that. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
the happy.
Cliffs are so tiny.
Oh. But no window to the wall, to the wall. No copyright on this song, cause I am singing it alone. I think it's really nice when all of us van lifers and people that support each other come together and like help uplift people. I know when I first started my channel, you guys were all there for me, and that's how we became family. I was living in this little tiny car and I had a rough start in life in general, and you guys were really there for me. Even though it was through the screen, I still feel till this day like love coming from you guys, and sometimes it's the only form of love I get. With all that being said, I know Life is Jheri is having a little bit of a rough time right now, and I don't want to see anybody struggle, and so I'm gonna try to do my best to give some of the items that I have to him. Whatever his goals are, I want to help, and so I'm gonna use my platform to try to leave an open door so that you can go and check out his page and maybe even check out his GoFundMe. I'll leave the links in the description below. I really appreciate you tuning in with this episode, and I will see you next time. Love you, family.